present. I'm just here siguro 2 months ago, and the people who applied to me 2 months ago already left for Australia. Let me introduce myself to you first, and of course our company. My name is Miss Bernie Apasible, okay, and I am the Senior Consultant of Universal Summit Documentation Services Incorporated. Our office is located in Quezon City, in Manila, and all our clients from here in Rojas, in Bacolod, in Cebu, lahat po sila nagta-travel going to our office every time that we need them to sign some application forms for the embassy requirements. Okay? Now, the orientation I normally conduct it here, nagbibiyahe talaga ako from Iloilo, lilipat ako Rojas, ganun, sa San Antonio Resort. And maraming this January 31st, ito lang katapusan.